In today's video, I will walk you through how to report a bug in Claude AI. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Claude AI. From the search results, choose the official site. Make sure the page clearly references the Claude AI product and the company behind it. If you see ads or similar looking pages, check the URL before clicking. Once you're on the official page, sign in. Select Continue with Google if that's how your account was created, or choose Email to log in with your email address and password. Use the same account where you experienced the issue. After you're signed in and viewing the main app, go to the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Click your user profile, shown as your initials or display name. This opens the account menu. In the account menu, select Get Help. This launches the built-in messenger, which appears as a small chat window over the app. If it takes a moment to load, wait for the messenger to appear. Inside the messenger, click Send us a message. You'll then see prompts to help you describe what's going wrong. Follow the prompts and provide specific details about the problem. Start by describing what you were trying to do. Then provide the exact steps that led to the problem. Explain what you expected to happen and what actually happened. If you saw any error message or other error text, include the exact wording. Also share when the problem occurred, including your time zone. If you know the browser or app version you were using, include that as well. If possible, attach a screenshot or a short screen recording showing the behavior from start to finish. Continue through the prompts and provide the requested information. As you chat with support, an automated assistant may try to help resolve the issue. If it cannot fully resolve the problem, or the issue requires further investigation, your case will be referred to a specialized team. After submitting the report, keep the messenger open or check back later for updates. Also watch your email for any follow-up questions. If you're asked for more information, reply in the same conversation thread so the details remain together. That's it. You've now reported the bug with the information needed for the team to investigate the issue. Thank you for watching.